Brendan from ChalkUp Limited. We've just opened a brand new bouldering wall, Crossfit Gym and fitness gym in Netherstowey, Somerset. Needed to cover ourselves from both a security and health and safety point of view with CCTV cameras, so we had a bit of a mixed brief in terms of we needed to make sure all the externals were covered, but also on the bouldering wall we needed every single hold to be covered from at least one angle. So there was a bit more interest in the CCTV cameras that we were going to go for to make sure we had everything covered on that. Some of my farmer contacts who put me on to the idea of working with West Country Tech, and they obviously have experience on the farm side of working in big agricultural buildings and making sure that everything's covered. So they seemed an appropriate place to get recommendations, and I haven't been disappointed at all. The cameras we ended up being advised to go for were quite a few turrets. Internally we've got 16 turrets to make sure we've got every angle covered. And then the bouldering wall also has a roaming PTZ, which is set up to move around, take in what's going on, but also we can take control of that and focus in on a particular person or a particular area that we are worried about might be acting in a way that we didn't want within the wall, and allows us to watch that person without being literally there physically on their shoulder, checking up on them. And then in the gym side, again, we got internal turrets, and we have got a PTZ camera over there as well, which allows us to see into all the corners that the cameras do cover, but they don't focus specifically on, which is really handy. On the gym side, we do allow people to access the site anytime between 5 AM and 11 PM, and some of those hours are unmanned from a staff point of view. So the CCTV cameras play a really important role in both the safety and security of the site. We can monitor remotely, either using the apps on our phone or via the computer. So again, really useful to us to enable our business to function without having to staff between those hours. And that's all down to the cameras and the system installed here. We've found them very easy to get hold of, very easy to plan ahead and get dates in the diary for installation, and to have really good product knowledge, so advising us on which cameras and which recorders were going to be best for our particular situation. And yeah, we're really pleased, all installed before we opened and absolutely perfect, up and running. Got all the access we need here, so yeah, we're really pleased.